Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the easy way to replace lower control arm bushings in a 10th gen F150 without removing the torsion bars or anything that's unnecessary. Something that you could do at your home easily. Not going to be an exciting video, so if you want something exciting, skip to something else. This is just a quick little trick kind of thing that I figured out, how I do it, and hopefully it helps someone else. First, you have to get to this point where you have the knuckle off and the control arm hanging free by just the torsion bar there. If you can't get to this point, I mean, there's tons of videos already on how to get to this point, but if you can't, you probably shouldn't be doing this, but you got to get to that. And then I'm just going to drill out the control arm bushings right there. Oh, camera keeps focusing on my finger. Right there. Gonna drill out the bushings and then use a puller tool. So we got 10.5 inches of ready rod, a couple nuts on it. This ready rod, I think it might be grade 5. I feel like I'd buy grade 8 if they had it, but I don't know. A couple nuts on there, washer, and then piece of flat steel with a hole in the middle. It's pretty thick. Cut this out of an old cross member. That goes on. And then a steel tubing, 4 inches deep, 2.5 inches wide. And then that goes on. Then you just throw on a washer and a nut and use that to pull out the bushing. One of those. One of these. Ta-da! Old bushing. Down. Now I shove those blocks in over here. Pulled this away enough. Last time I used a pry bar to pull on it, but don't really need to. You can just yank on it, and if you're a big guy, but if you're a little guy, you probably have to use a pry bar. Unless you're a real stout guy. Yeah. So now we can access the bushing. Okay. Let's drill some holes in this thing. Yay! Look at that. It's a little bit explodey. Whoops. Here's my safety glasses. Old bushing. Bye-bye.